Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen, alhamdulillah. So today, inshallah, let's learn these 4 ayahs of Surah Rahman. Inshallah, first I'm going to recite, inshallah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Ayah number 52. There are only 2 new ayahs here. Okay. فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان فيهما fa to count due to this ya maddiya to haraka فيهما mim for to haraka فيهما min this noon sakin is followed by kaf, so you have to do ikhfa. It will sound similar to this mink. Okay, mink, mink, mink. Just we have to do 2 haraka gunna, but you should hide this noon sakin in the nasal cavity for 2 haraka. You should not make it so clear like min. Okay, min kulli فيهما من كل lam has tajdeed, emphasize it, just don't say kulli, it is kulli. Okay, فاكهة fa to haraka فاكهة tanween is followed by this za, so again you'll have to do ikhfa like فاكهة tin, not tin. It should not be clear. If you make it clear, you're doing gunna, but by doing idhar, not ikhfa. Ikhfa means hiding. Okay, fakihatin zawjan, not zo, it is zaw. Okay, the vowel should not sound zojan, it is zawjan. Zawjan. Alif saghira, it is just similar to alif maddiya, stretch for 2, 4 or 6 count due to this mad al-arid li-sukun, the mad which is due to temporary sukun during waqf. Inshallah, let's keep 4 haraka only throughout the session. Okay, فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فبأي 1 count, and this ya you have to emphasize it. It's not hamza, it's not fabi'ayyi. Remember, it is a yi, ya you yi. Fabi'ayyi ala'i, hamza to haraka, but this madal wajib muttasil for 4 haraka. Okay, ala'i rabbikuma, ra heavy, rabbikuma tukadhiban, dhal with no buzzing sound. It should not sound to kazi. The meaning of a word will completely become meaningless. It is with dhal, not with za. This is a letter za which has that kind of buzzing sound, zawjan. Okay, don't mispronounce, don't convert this dhal to this za. Okay, tukadhiban. Again, you can stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 count due to madul arid lisukun. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان متكئين. Okay, mutta, you have to emphasize it. You should not sound mutta. Okay, emphasize it, put a stress on it. Kiina, here you can see there is hamza with kasra, right? And if there is hamza with kasra and the letter before it, if even that has kasra, there is a chance that you merge these two and say muttaqina, kina. And also you can see there is ya maddiya here. Okay, the mad will just get merged into this hamza and it will sound like muttaqina. In this way you will be doing lehn al jali by ignoring this hamza. Okay, so you'll be very concentrated here, like muttaqiina, not muttaqina, muttaqiina. Ina, that hamza must be very clear. Okay, you should not merge that with this kaf or with this ya maddiya, inshallah. Muttaqiina. And for two haraka, why? Because kasra is followed by ya maddiya. Muttaqiina ala ain, not hamza, it is a ain, not ala. Ala furushin, fa and the surah both with dhamma, only one count, and also the surah with dhamma should be heavy. How to make it heavy? By doing isti'ala. It is not furu, it is furu, ru. See, there is a difference in ru, right? Full mouth. Furushin, furushin. When tanween is followed by ba, we will convert the noon sakin which is in this tanween into meme. So there is a meme here. So you will not say furushin, instead you will say furushim, meme. And with two haraka gunna. Ala furushim batainuha. Okay, two count gunna, but don't say noon. You have to pronounce meme here. Okay, iqlab, the ruling of iqlab, the conversion where tanween or noon sakin gets converted to meme sakina. Okay, furushin batainuha. Bata, not ta, it is ta. Due to this ta heavy letter, even the alif maddiya will sound heavy. It will sound like o. Bata. Okay, even the alif mad will be heavier and stretch for how many harakas? 4 haraka, because it is followed by hamza in the same word, mad al wajib muttasil. Batainuha, 2 haraka. Min, no gunna on noon sakin, just do idhar because the next letter is hamza, the throat letter. Min istabraq, istab, bab with the qalqala, tab, okay, and raq, qaf, when we stop at this waqf al mutlaq, the absolute stopping, tanween, that is kasratan, will convert to sakina, and we will do qalqala on the qaf, and the ra will be heavy because it has fatha. Okay, min istabraq wajana al-jannatayn dan. Wajana, this alif maddiya will be cancelled due to iltaqa sakinain. Next letter is hamzatul wasl, right? Wajanal, lam sakin, clearly don't do qalqala. Jannataini, noon mushaddad 2 haraka gunna. Jannataini. Okay, here I kind of sound because yalin should be very softer and easier. It should not sound jannataini. Taini is wrong. Jannataini, taini. Okay, dan alif maddiya can be stretched now for 2, 4 or 6 count due to madul arid lisukun, inshallah. متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, فبأي, same thing, ya mushaddad, emphasize it. Alai, hamza 2 haraka, this lam for 4 count, madul wajib muttasil. Rabbikuma, make ra heavy. تكذبان, dal with no buzzing sound, and you can stretch this alif صغيرة for 2, 4 or 6 count inshallah. So alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the tajweed rulings, which are very easy, and just 2 new ayahs we have learned. One is short and another is long, right? Alhamdulillah. So let's recite it now. First I'm going to recite, you just recite after me, but the mics will be muted. Later on I'll unmute your mics, okay? Let's begin inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, unmute your mics now inshallah. Let's practice together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
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 فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
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 فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
متكئين على فرش
وجنى الجنتين دان متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
متكئين على فرش
وجنى الجنتين دان
وجنى الجنتين
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
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 فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
متكئين على فرش بطائنها
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
وجنى الجنتين دان
وجنى الجنتين دان
وجنى الجنتين دان
وجنى الجنتين دان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق
متكئين على فرش استبرق
وجنى الجنتين دان
وجنى الجنتين دان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
MashaAllah, Barakallahu Feekum. Alhamdulillah, we have completed reciting and I hope you understood the Tajweed rulings very well. They are very easy and inshallah practice well tomorrow and recite well, okay? So few things here. Here you'll have to do 2 haraka gunna and recite meme, not noon, because this is the ruling of iqlab. This must be heavy or else it will convert to ta. And this alif maddiya for 4 haraka. And this alif saghira only for 2 count. I have just listened that few students are reciting it more than 2 haraka, just 2. Ala furushin. Okay, inshallah. This is istabraq. Ba and qaf with qalqala, but not seen. Istabraq. Tabraq. Okay, inshallah. Rest of thing is good. And here 2 haraka gunna. Jannataini. Not just jannataini, jannataini. Fine. Alhamdulillah. So if you have any doubts in the tajweed rulings, you can ask me now. Any doubts?
Assalamu alaikum. I just want to confirm something, okay?
Yeah,
With the
yeah.
mad letters, right?
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you have mad, I think in a previous ayah 15 and 39, when you have mad with the shadda, is it 6 count? Is it for 6 counts?
Yeah, mad. Yeah, when huruf al mad is followed by a letter carrying tajdeed, then 6 count. Which ayah?
6
15?
count.
Ayah number 15?
15 and 39, I think, if I remember correctly, 39 and 15.
Yeah, yeah. See here?
Yeah,
Alif mad diya is followed by
14. Yes.
noon mushaddad, then it is 6 haraka. Okay, 6
6.
count. Yeah, Jannah in this way. Another is 39. Even here the same thing.
39.
Yeah, it is here at the end, you can see, right? This noon has tajdeed, that is why you'll have to stretch it for 6 count. Okay?
6 count, right?
Ji.
And if you have hams, then the same word and the following word is 4 to 5.
4 haraka or 5 haraka. Okay?
Haraka, right.
Yeah, just like here. Ji wa iyaki khair.
Yes, right.
Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah.
Ji wa iyaki khair. Any other doubts? No doubts? Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So inshallah, let's end the meeting. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة
Waalaikumsalam
الله
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
وبركاته.
جي الحمد لله.